So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a chart inside of a document here on the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, simply just go to the top here. So I'm just going to first off type in insert a chart so that you guys know what I'm talking about here. Go to the top bar to where it says chart right here in between text and table. Press on chart. Now what you can actually do is select a chart of your choosing. So if you want an interactive chart, you can view a whole bunch of different options right here. You can go to 3D charts and view a whole bunch of different options for 3D charts right here. Same thing goes for 2D charts. If you want that as a basic 2D chart right here of just a graph, a bar chart, press on this right here. Once that is done, it's now going to input the data. If you want to edit the chart data right here, you can go edit data and sort of change the columns if you want. So you can change this to 10, you can change this to 10, you can change all of them to 10, whatever the case may be. You can sort of play with it. It is completely up to you. So once that is done, there you go. Here's your chart. You can make it larger or make it smaller. You can change the text right here to the regions. You can change the colors, whatever the case may be. You can get creative, but pretty much this is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. How to insert a chart inside of a document on the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.